Hello, everyone. I wanted to explain our schedule to you. This is the Spring 2016 Web3 Gen Psychology course schedule. You're going to see here that it's very much front-loaded and can kind of slow down towards the end. Starting off the first week, we have conditioning and learning, and that'll include classical conditioning, operant conditioning, and cognitive or observational learning. Quite a bit there in the first week. Chapter 5. The second week is brain and behavior, and that'll be our first graded discussion, group discussion there, and then also research techniques. And then also that week, you'll have to complete exam 1 during the week. A lot during that week. This is accelerated. The following week there, the 3/28 to 4/3 is spring break. Then after spring break, we get into sensation and perception, a very interesting discussion. And we start states of consciousness there. And then the following week, we do the chapter 4 on drugs part, and that'll be our second graded group discussion. And then also that week, we'll do intelligence, another interesting discussion, and then there'll be exam 2. Now also your journal, your first half journal will be due. There'll be a Dropbox open and you can drop in there. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, you should have 5 entries about things that grabbed you, things you thought that were of interest to you during first half of the course. Okay, after halftime, 4:11, that week is memory, motivation, and emotion. The following week, 4:18, is the third grade group discussion, psychological disorders. You might find that interesting. Also, there's social psychology, and then exam 3. And then starting 4:25, the last of the 2 weeks there, which will be personality, Chapter 11, and lifespan development, Chapter 8. And your assignment, your psychology career assignment, will be due that week. Another Dropbox will open there. You can drop that in there. Following week, we do therapies, and give us a whole week for that. Also, May 2nd, be the last group discussion there, and that'll be health, stress, and coping, Chapter 14. And then the final week will be just the exam 4. You take your final, and also the second half journal will be due that week, and there'll be a Dropbox open. You just drop it in there, and that'll be it. Hopefully you'll get through the schedule and learn quite a bit of general psychology. Thank you very much.